Hey, what's up everyone? It's Andrew with We Run Guns, and today I have a pretty cool video for you guys. It's from Goat Guns, you can see here. So this is the second product that they've been able to send me. So very appreciative of that. So let's check it out and see what it is. Honestly, I'm not exactly sure. I haven't checked for myself, and I didn't request a specific one. So let's see what I got. So this is pretty cool. As you guys can see here, this is the M4A1 replica. So it looks pretty cool. Let's unbox it, let's assemble it and see how it looks. Should be something like this one right here, which is my AK, which I think is pretty badass. So pretty cool. It makes for a good gift. It's ages 12 and up, appropriate. So pretty nice. Again, like I was saying, guys, sorry I've been absent for a little bit. For those of you that don't know, I've been in school and I'm working on my doctorate degree now. And it's a pretty competitive program. It's kicking my ass. By the way, this is a lightning knife, and if you guys are interested, I'll drop a card so you guys can check it out. These are like 30 bucks. A lot of fun to play with if they're legal in your state. Unfortunately, they may not be legal everywhere, but if it is legal in your state, I recommend it. Best 30 bucks you'll ever spend. And another thing I wanted to mention with this is that it also included this in the packaging, which is pretty cool. This is basically like your ACOG. Let me open this so you guys can see without all the glare. But yeah, I miss being on YouTube. It's been a while, so I'm really happy to do another video. And I got actually a few more that are pending. Have a couple other products here ready to go. So hopefully I could push those out as soon as possible. But yeah, here's that ACOG. So it looks pretty cool. Now the instructions for this assembly is very easy. Shouldn't be too bad, as you can see here. Obviously, if a 12-year-old could do it, then hopefully I can too. So those are steps. I think it's just 6 steps, so should be pretty easy. I'll put it together, show you guys how it looks. Those are all the pieces that you get. You got a tool here. So what's cool is that the assembly is actually a little similar to realistically assembling one, so that's pretty nice. You put your quad rail on the bottom and get your top piece in there. Took me a second to get it in right, but now it feels pretty solid and ready to move on. So next step is going to be my buffer tube. So this part's just pretty easy, just slides right on. Okay, once you get your buffer tube in, also make sure when you're putting the buffer tube, you pull this pin out and then you push it down. Get this sliding in, obviously pushing down on it just as you would. And try to finesse this baby in. So it was a little tight getting this stock on to my buffer tube, but all you have to do is adjust this little piece here, and that way your pin is going to be more out of your way. So you just got to turn this and lefty loosey, righty tighty. But now it's pretty cool. Locks right into place, and you could adjust your length of pull pretty easily. So I'm going to set this up with my iron sights just to give it more of a classic look, but probably later on I'll switch over to the ACOG. So just to show you guys how it look, just like any other one, you gotta loosen it and then tighten it right back up, right onto your 1913 Picatinny rail. So that's pretty tight. And you can see your sights right there pretty easily. So pretty cool setup right there. So piece that was here is just easy for putting up your stand. So that way, when you display it, it looks pretty good, ready to go. This will just be on your grip. You can see there. That'll just pop right on. But before I do that, obviously we're going to need a magazine, right? So put this on. And by the way, I want to show you guys, it's actually pretty cool. You have your selector here, so you could put, safe, semi, and you do have a fun switch for here. So there's your auto. So that's pretty cool. Obviously, we're going to be on safe for the moment. See? Just like normal standard operation on this side. So that's pretty cool. And obviously let's get some rounds in there so it looks pretty realistic. So this of course is your NATO 5.56. Obviously, as you can see here. No doubt about that. Let's get a little 3 rounds in. Alright, so there you go. You're locked and loaded. And you're pretty much good to go from there. So pretty cool operation. You got your dust cover there. So when you stand it up, it should look something like this. So pretty cool setup. And of course you have here a suppressor. which is optional. You can just take off your muzzle brake, throw that on. So that's pretty cool. And of course, if you want to modernize it all the way, you got your ACOG here, so you have your red dot. These are my two that I have. So let me know down in the comments which one you guys prefer. If you're more of an AK kind of guy, a little flashy, or you're more of a AR15 kind of guy, in this case an M4A1. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. And I will try my best to pump out some more videos as soon as possible. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. WRG out.